Introduction. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is one that many students struggle with: maths homework. It can be challenging and frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some maths homework tips and tricks to help you be more confident, efficient, and successful in your studies. Tip 1. Practice regularly. The first tip is to practice maths regularly. Don't wait until the night before your exam to start studying. Instead, practice a little every day, even if it's just 10 or 15 minutes. This will help you build a strong foundation of knowledge and skills, and prevent you from getting overwhelmed. Tip 2. Take notes. The second tip is to take notes during class and when doing your maths homework. Write down key concepts, formulas, and examples, and review them regularly. This will help you retain the information better and have a better understanding of the topics. Tip 3. Show your work. The third tip is to show your work when solving maths problems. This will help you understand the process and identify any mistakes you may have made. It will also make it easier for your teacher to grade your work and give you feedback. Tip 4. Use online resources. The fourth tip is to use online resources to help you with your maths homework. There are many websites and apps that offer tutorials, practice problems, and explanations of maths concepts. Some popular ones are Khan Academy, Mathway, and Wolfram Alpha. You can also join online forums or study groups to ask for help and connect with other math students. Tip 5. Practice with real-life examples. The fifth and final tip is to practice maths with real-life examples. This will help you see the practical applications of maths in everyday situations and make it more interesting and relevant. For example, you can calculate the tip at a restaurant, figure out the time it takes to travel from one place to another, or measure the ingredients for a recipe. Conclusion. So those were some maths homework tips and tricks that we hope will help you improve your skills and confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it and don't give up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.